Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be installing LED turn signals on my BMW coupe. It's an E46, it's a 2002 E46. It's very simple to install. I just want to give a shout out to Unique Style Racing who sent these out to me. These are made by DEPO, but Unique Style Racing is the vendor that sent these out to me. So I will link these down below if you like them. They match my LED taillight, so I think they'll look pretty good. Couple things that you get included. I said it's pretty simple, but you need a resistor because they're LEDs, and this is just an adapter that allows you to put the resistor on. So basically just splices into it. This goes into the new one, and this comes out to your old factory connector. So we're gonna take off the headlight bulb. They do make different, we're gonna take off the side marker housing. They do make different lights depending on what type of E46 you have. They make them for coupes, convertibles, if you have the clip-in style or the screw-in style. I have the screw-in style, so I'm gonna Phillips screw right here to unscrew it on the other ones. So let me show you guys that now. So to take off the screw-in style, all you have to do is there's a Phillips head screw right down here, right at the top. As you can see right there. Can't really see it, but it's right there. It's right where your paint is, and you'll see it. You'll unscrew it. And once it's unscrewed, the light just pulls out. And then what you're going to want to do is take it and depress the pin. Don't take out the bulb because this is the only connector that you're gonna need. You can leave your old bulb in there. So now you're going to take the new one and you are going to just plug this in like this. And here is your resistor, and you're going to have to hide it somewhere in there. It does include double-sided tape. You can probably just mount it right on the side like that. So I know it's gonna be hard to show you, but we ended up mounting the resistor way back there. There's a flat spot right where you can, behind the headlight kind of, and you can fit it in there. So now we're going to take these two connectors. Only goes in one way, it's keyed. So now that it's been plugged in, we're gonna plug the actual light into the harness. It's one of the style connectors for like a light bulb. It goes in one way and you just screw it. It screws in like 1/4 of an inch. So once it's in, now you have to screw this piece into here like a normal light and just snake that wire through and just let it sit back inside the actual housing. So it only turns a little bit, just be mindful of that, and then it just goes back in. Push all these cables back and it will line up. You can flip this around, this little air vent. Make sure the other one has not fallen off, and you can push it back in and line it up. And there you go. So now let's take a look at what it looks like, and then we'll do the other one. Nice, looks pretty good. So now I'll do a time lapse of showing you guys the other side.
I can sing
So this is the end product. One thing to note is that the angel eyes look so much brighter than the actual turn signals, and they're pretty close. I don't know why, just because they're thicker. I mean, they're not quite as bright, but I think in person they're really good contrast. I like them so far. We'll see how long I like them for and how long they last, because I still do have my clear ones that one started leaking and I do have to fix, so we'll see how that goes. But if you guys want to buy these are made by DEPO. These came from Unique Style Racing. I'll obviously put these exact ones in the description, and I'll also put the clip ones versus the screw ones. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, hit a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of these actual turn signals. I wanted to try them out just because I do have the LED turn signals. I do have the LED turn signals in the back, so I definitely just wanted to check it out. So let me know what you guys think, and subscribe to the channel.